Welcome to Baldir, the vibrant markets of West Africa, where the aroma of delicious food fills the air. First up, we have jollof rice, a classic one-pot dish from Ghana and Nigeria. Jollof rice, oh so nice, with tomatoes and spices. It's a delight. Ghana and Nigeria, it's a favorite dish. Jollof rice, come and taste the bliss.
Next we have banku, a traditional Ghanaian dish made from fermented corn dough.
And pepper sauce, it's divine. Ghana's favorite dish, it's a treat. Banku, banku, can't be beat.
Now let's head to the kitchen to prepare fufu, a staple dish from Cameroon and Nigeria. So smooth and bright with okra soup, it's a delightful sight. Cameroon and Nigeria, it's a favorite dish.
Come and taste the bliss.
Last but not least, we have okra soup, a hearty and flavorful dish enjoyed across West Africa. So sweet with fufu, it's a treat to eat. West Africa's favorite dish, it's true. Okra soup, come and taste it anew.
And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey through West Africa. If you enjoy my music, please like, subscribe, and comment and share. If you enjoy my music, please like, subscribe, and comment and share.
Wagwan, me dear, let me tell you about fufu and banku, a perfect blend, no doubt. Light soup and okra soup, they go hand in hand. Ghanaian cuisine is the best in the land. Food that I love, it's a Ghanaian vibe. Fufu, banku, jollof rice all the time. Kenki and kelewele, a delicious snack. Fresh coconut and plantain, me favorite pack. In the morning, I wake up to the sound of fufu and banku being pounded all around. Light soup and okra soup, they fill the air. Ghanaian cuisine, it's beyond compare. Food that I love, it's a Ghanaian delight. Fufu, banku, jollof rice, shining so bright. Kenki and kelewele, a snack so fine. Fresh coconut and plantain all the time. no forget the flavor and the spice. Fufu and banku, they make me feel nice. Light soup and okra soup, they go hand in hand. Ghanaian cuisine is the best in the land.